Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Harry Digital. Myself Harry from harrydigital.in and I am your digital marketer. In this channel, I do share some videos related to digital marketing and content related to digital marketing. And you know what? I do share some tools and tips that are required to be a pro digital marketer. And coming to this video, in this video, I'm going to give you complete clarity on how to select a niche. Yes, selecting a niche is very important and problematic topic or area of every digital marketer in the beginning stages of his career. And guys, if you are really worrying about selecting a niche, this video is going to be very helpful for you. By the end of this video, you will get to know how to select a niche because I am going to share you three-step formula of selecting a niche and a single pro tip and very exciting bonus offer for free. Okay, so please watch till the end, guys. You will get to know everything in selecting a niche, and don't skip at anywhere and don't go anywhere in the middle of the video. So try to focus on till the end. Okay, guys, if you are the first time visitor of my channel, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notification out of it. And without any delay, let's start the video. Presentation on the topic how to select a niche. So in this presentation, I'm going to give you complete clarity on how to select a niche. So if you watch till the end, you will get to know everything how to select a niche. Okay, so please try to watch till the end. And before starting this presentation, I want to clarify you. Okay, many of the people don't know what is meant by niche actually. They do think in a very complicated way in the sense like so niche is some like a business, it is a profit, it is a market. Okay, so no, I want to clarify you one thing within your like in your one sentence about what is a niche. Okay, so actually niche is not choosing a topic or area randomly. It is about focusing on the area which you are best at and having passion about it. Got it, guys? I think you got it. So let me repeat it again. Niche is not picking a topic or area randomly. It is about focusing on the area which you are best at and having passion about it. Having passion about it. It is the specialty in you. Okay, it is the passion of you. So if you have some passion in your life, it is your niche. Okay, so from that passion you have to educate people. Okay, so you have to educate people. You have to be a problem solver. Okay, many of the people are searching for you because they want some solution for their problem. So in that situation you have to select like in that perspective you have to think. Okay, niche is your passion. Okay, got it, guys? So I think you have got some clarity. Okay, so let me tell you let me tell you in deep. Okay, so I have prepared some presentation for you people, so let us see what is this. So what is a niche? Niche is not a business, not a product, not a marketing. Of course we need some so to do a business or to do marketing or anything we need a niche, but to think about a niche, to select a niche, there is no need of any businesses or any profit or any marketing. Okay, so what is that? Niche is the specialty in you. What is your specialty? So you are living life, right? In your life, what is your specialty? What is your passionate about? It is your niche. Okay, it is the niche actually. So many of these people don't know. They think in very complicated way. No, guys, niche is the specialty in you. Niche is something which you are passionate about. Okay, so your passion should be a problem solver for one member. Okay, then your niche is going to be super duper hit. Okay, in that way you have to select your niche. And the thing is, yes, I already told you, it is your interest, what you are expertise into. It is a problem solving topic. For example, let us say that, so if you are a dancer, you are passionate about dancing, then dance is your niche. If you are passionate about marketing like me, if you are passionate about public speaking like me, so then your niche is public speaking and marketing. That is the reason I choose my niche as marketing, and I'm doing marketing, digital marketing, and I'm explaining about digital marketing and solving your solution. You entered into this video to know the solution of yours, right? So I'm giving solution. There are two types of niche: sub niche and micro niche. Okay, so for example, if you take technology as a niche, so your expertise into technology and you're passionate about technology. So in technology, many things comes like mobiles, laptops, etc. Right? So if you take your passion, like your expertise into mobiles, then mobile is your sub niche. Okay, so what is meant by micro niche means, so if you want to promote some product in mobiles, okay, there are many Android phones, iPhones, etc. So for example, let us say, for example, micro niche, sorry, you want to promote a product called OnePlus Android phone, okay, so then your micro niche is micro, like a OnePlus mobile phone, so you are going to promote that product, okay. So that is called micro niche. I think you got clarity. Niche, sub niche, and micro niche. Micro niche is, so getting deep into your niche, picking one product and promoting that to people who are in problem, okay, okay, so giving value to them, telling about the problem, telling about the, like, giving the solution of that, and promoting that product. That's it about marketing and selection of niche also. So I cleared about marketing, digital marketing too, okay. And the second thing, how should be our niche? So you got, like, you know what is your passion. So now how should be your niche? So your niche should be in demand, traffic, profit, okay. Yeah, of course, if your niche, like, if you, what you are promoting, if if it is not having any demand, there is no use of promoting it, right? If it is demand, automatically sales will come, right? When you think in marketing view, if you have demand, automatically sales will come, people listen to you, right? If you take coronavirus as example, in this pandemic situation, everybody needs some immunity booster drinks or immunity booster items. So if you educate them about immunity, and if you promote some product related to immunity booster, so people will trust you, because the topic is in demand, pandemic is in demand, right? So I mean, immunity booster drinks or immunity booster items are in demand right now, right? So if you promote that product, okay, then it is said to be in demand. In this case, what is your niche? So coronavirus means health related, right? So if you are passionate about health, then take your niche as health. If you are passionate about fitness, then take your niche as fitness. That's it. So second point, traffic. So people, already I told you, so demand is similar to traffic only. So when there is demand, there also traffic in the sense how many people are searching for that. So how many people are searching for a solution of that problem, right? So that is called demand, okay. Sorry, traffic, right? So your niche should be in demand, your niche should be in traffic, okay. And the third thing is profit. You are giving solution to one problem, okay, you are giving one solution to the problem, then automatically you should get some profit. Without getting some profit, so what is the use of it, right? You are doing marketing, you are earning some, you want to earn some amount of money, you are giving solution to the problem, right? So if you don't get some any amount of profit to your niche, what is the use of it, okay? So your niche should be demand, traffic, and profit, okay. And the third thing, how to find a niche. This is the most like hot topic in this session, okay. So many of us don't know how to select a niche, how to find a niche. So I'm going to give you 3 free tools in the description, sir, in the description box, okay. I'm going to give you 3 free tools, so try to make use of it. And yeah, there are 3 free tools called to get some ideas of your niche, and to get some like to whether to decide it is in demand or not. And the third thing is to know how much traffic it is getting for that particular keyword or particular niche, right? So don't worry guys, we are going to see practically how to select a niche right now, okay. Stay tuned. Guys, sorry for the interruption. Before going into the next slide, I want to ask you one thing. So if you're really getting touch with my content, if you're really getting some value out of my content, so please do subscribe my channel. Pass the video, please do subscribe my channel, and don't forget hit the bell icon, guys. Okay, we'll meet you in the next slide. Don't go anywhere. Let us say, like, for example, you are passionate about fitness, okay. So you want to people, like, you want to educate people on fitness related things, okay. So you took some topic called weight loss, okay. So you want to educate people on how to get weight loss, okay, within 30 days, 20 days, 15 days, okay. These all comes under fitness related things, right? So you want to educate people and you want to problem solve for that particular topic. So for that reason, go to this tool and get idea, okay. Get idea on how to, like, on which topic I should go related to weight loss. So let us search for that. It is very useful to make use of it. And see weight loss tips, weight loss diet, weight loss foods, weight loss diet plan. So these all comes under weight loss related things. So pick a one topic called weight loss diet. Okay, weight loss diet. So pick that and check whether it is in trending or not, whether it is having demand or not. Now for that reason, go to this Google Trends topic. So it is also a free tool, Google Trends tool, and paste it like weight loss, right? We selected that only, right? So let us check that, so whether it is having some traffic or not. So weight loss diet for the past 12 months means for the past 1 year, how it is. So see guys, daily people are searching every month. So 81 people, 92 people. So it is in India. So let us search worldwide how it is. See 94. So this is February 7 to 13 a week. Okay, in a week 77, 20. So it is in trending. So July to 70, July 11 to 17, 2021, it is 78. Okay, so like that you have to check whether it is in trending or not. So it is in trending, so you can take. But here now you have to know how much traffic you are getting. So you want to get some profit, right? So to get profit, you know, you want to see how much traffic you have. You should have like, so for that, go and check weight loss diet. So let us check that. See guys, here, oh my god, 10K to 100K means average monthly searches. In Google, they are like in Google, 10,000 to 100,000 people are searching. 1 lakh people are searching for this. Okay, so when you choose this as your niche, when you give problem, like when you give solution to this particular topic, if people get attracted to your content, okay, if people trust you, then automatically your niche is going to be super duper hit. You have to select a niche wisely. Okay, you have to be very concentrated. Okay, for that reason guys, I want to tell you one thing. Okay, so let us close this and let us meet in the next slide. That's it all from my side, guys. I think you got to know everything about how to find a niche, right? And what is meant by niche actually, right? So in this way, you have to select your niche. Okay? So coming to three-step formula. Before telling three-step formula, I want to tell you one thing, guys. So I have been seeing many people are failing because of this selecting a wrong niche. Okay, they are failing because of selecting, knowing about themselves, knowing about their passion. Okay, but I don't want people to be doing like that. Okay, know your passion very perfectly. Okay, know your passion. You have to be very careful while selecting your passion. Okay, coming to three-step formula, the first step formula is know about yourself. Know about yourself in the sense, know about your niche, know about your passion. What is your specialty? Okay, that is the first step. And the second step is decide your niche. Follow the steps which I have told you before in a presentation. What is that? What should be your like how should be your niche, right? It should be demand, profit, traffic, right? So follow those steps and decide your niche is good or bad. Okay, then third thing is committing to your niche. Committing to your niche in the sense you have to ask yourself two questions. If I take this as niche, if I take my passion as my niche, will I do hard work for the next 3 to 6 months? If answer is yes, ask the second question. If I take this as my niche, will I be dedicated for the next 3 to 6 months? If answer is yes, yes, you are in the right track. Okay, so I have been following the same steps. I followed these same steps and I selected my niche like this way. Okay, so I want you people to be do like that only and select your niche. So that's all from three-step formula. And coming to pro tip, guys. Coming to pro tip, so you're learning digital marketing, right? So if you have failed in three-step formula, if you have failed in like selecting your niche, take digital marketing as your niche. Okay, you're learning some sort of skills, right? So try to learn with a passion and applying digital marketing. That's it. That is pro tip. So it's very cool, right? So that is pro tip. Coming to this bonus point, so I want to give you some bonus, right? So I'm very excited for this. So if you are a beginner of this career, beginner of this digital marketing career, so I'm going to give you my research time for you. Okay, so that is for free consultation. In the free consultation, I am going to explain you what is my website. So I already made a video about the website, what is my website. So please take a please watch it. And so I am going to give you how to buy hosting and domain. Okay, so if you do not have hosting and domain, no problem. I'm going to explain you what is my hosting and domain, how to select a domain, okay, and how to select a passion very deeply. Okay, and the fourth thing is very very important. I'm going to explain all your doubts regarding digital marketing career. Okay, right? So that is bonus from my side, but there is two criteria here. The first criteria is you have to subscribe my channel, you have to like my channel, like this video, take a screenshot and send me in Instagram. And the second step is like a second tip is, so you have to follow me in the Instagram. Okay, take the screenshot and please send me that screenshot in Instagram. That's it. Very simple. If you do this two criteria, the free consultation is going to be very, very helpful for you. Yes, and that's it all from my side, guys. I'm signing off, and so please do subscribe my channel. If you have any sort of doubts, you can ask me, and please follow my channel. So don't forget to hit the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel. So that's it all from my side, guys. We'll meet you with another video. Okay.